missing a call since lately. Me I got too hard since lately. I feel like this heart too crazy. The body not me off a call. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm basically just giving you guys like, you know, styling a video of how I'm gonna style this curly lace wig today. I showed you guys this wig the other day, and it's basically like also an update of how it's reacting. It's been really good. Curls remain really soft. It's very voluminous, as you guys can see. I really, you know, I think it's my only curly wig I have with this nice ombre transition going on, and I did customize that a bit if you checked out my previous video with it. If you didn't, you can go ahead and click the link below. It will be there. This is the Tiana Taylor inspired ombre tight curly wig. Brazilian virgin here. It's a tight curly texture. It's 150% medium heavy. That's the density, and I got a medium brown lace color. So those are just some of the specifications on this wig, just to let you guys know. So I went ahead and I applied the wig off camera, as you can see before, and you know, it just looks so natural. I went ahead and I applied some of my press powder to just further blend everything and make it look more skin there in the parting area. And yeah, you could definitely go ahead and just rock it as is like this, but I mean, that's basic, that's pretty predictable, and what most people will go ahead and how most people would go ahead and rock it most time, which nothing is wrong. The first hairstyle I opted to go ahead and show you guys, which is really simple, was like 2 low ponytails, which I don't recall me ever really rocking this hairstyle out, and I thought this was super nice, especially since it has the ombre detailing. I don't know, it gives it a pop there at the end, you know, just having it in 2. I concealed the elastic band I used to put the hair together. I used a piece of the hair to just conceal the elastic band and make everything look a little bit more neat and sleek. And listen, it's so simple. It's the same thing I did on the next side, and voila, you have yourself a poppin' hairstyle. All right. Pretty nice, right? Yes, I really love this one. All right, moving on to the second hairstyle. I pretty much just did like 2 plaits in the front and kind of just pinned it back to give it a little oomph. It's nothing too serious. You could go ahead and do a regular plait, but I opted to do something like a fish plait. It wasn't like super neat because first of all, it would have shown more if it wasn't the curly texture. If it was like straight hair, it would definitely show more, but you could definitely go ahead and just do a regular plait and you could still do this style. I mean, it's not that serious. So that's what I did. And after just, you know, playing with the plait and getting it in the way that I wanted it to be, which was definitely not too neat, I pinned it away from my face in the back there, and that's it for this style. Super simple, super quick. I always try to give you guys like the easiest and quickest hairstyles to do your lace wigs in, because nobody don't have time to do too much. Like, you don't wearing a, like, you're already wearing a wig already, so you're trying to not, you know, take up too much time doing your hair. So it's only right that we do quick and simple stuff when styling, right? So what I did for the third and final hairstyle was pretty much just, you know, unravel one of the plaits, keep one, and put everything to one side and do a nice side ponytail, and basically just, you know, conceal the elastic band again with a piece of the hair. And that was it for this hairstyle as well. I told you guys, these are super quick, super simple hairstyle. Like, anybody can do it, and it looks really nice. So yeah, that's it for this, you know, styling video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I didn't bore you. If you're interested in this or any other wig I've ever worn from rpghair.com, you can go ahead and use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10 to get dollars off. My direct page link will be the first one in the description box, so go ahead and click that. And guys, that's it for today. I'm not gonna make this video too drawn out at all. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, so go and stay tuned. Bye.